SARURA kids.
Right guys, so today we are making some sensory porridgey type stuff for Vongai. I've previously done this using maize flour from Zimbabwe, which is hupfu. But because unfortunately we didn't film the actual sensory play after we'd filmed it, I'm just going to go through the process again. You could use maize flour, I'm using pounded yam today, so you can use pounded yam. You could probably use gari, which is like cassava flour. You could probably use just ordinary plain flour that you have lying around in your house. So any flour will do as long as you cook it through and it's edible. That's it. Now, if you didn't watch the last video, basically, I'll put the measurements because I actually measured everything around, but I'm just going to eyeball it today. I think it was something like 100 grams of the flour. And then I put in like 100 mils of 100 mils of milk because I like it a little bit creamy. And then I just top it all up with water until it is, again, these are all approximate. So if you like it even more creamy, then by all means put more milk. If you like it less creamy, don't even use the milk. I just use the milk because, if she's going to eat it anyway, I might as well get some extra milk in there. Why not? So yeah, you want to stir this and make sure that all the particles, all the flour has dissolved. If you're using flour, like just plain flour, you're just basically getting yourself a white sauce. That is exactly what you're doing. You can add flavor to it as well. So, if it's something that you maybe want your kid to eat something, make a white sauce and then just give it to them as sensory play. But today we're using pounded jam. And then we top it up with water. Again, I just use tons and tons of water because I want it to be really, really watery. Let's turn this on. Alright, there we go. Now it is simmering. We are going to cover it and just simmer it on, I think we'll go for about 2. And just leave it there for about 15 minutes. And then it will be ready. And then we have to cool it down before someone can use it. So we have, as you can tell, already started playing. And this is the pounded yam version. And that is our favorite non-Newtonian fluid, oobleck, which, as we remember, is quite watery and just lovely when you play with it. But if you try and smash your hands into it or grab it, it goes quite hard. Yeah, go on. So we have our pounded yam baby version.
Mommy, what makes you so?
Yummy. See, the reason that I love this is because all of these white saucy sadda type things, pounded yam type things, are still just great sensory play for kids. But that version is much more edible. And sometimes, trust me, she goes through a lot. Ah! This is a great little alternative if you've got kids who are into sensory play together. I mean, obviously the older they get, the more sophisticated their play becomes. But
Rain.
Rain! I'm just so lucky because obviously there's, just a year difference between these two. So they're still kind of into the same things. So it makes it easier to organize things.
Rain will go away.
Come again another day. We all just want to play. Rain, rain, go away. I think it kind of goes without saying that you should put something down on the floor. Because if you don't, you will soon live to regret the meaning. Because the stuff just goes everywhere. And especially with the oobleck, it just dries in a really strange way because it just goes all powdery once it's dried. Now we should have rolled up your sleeve, shouldn't we? Yes, what's that? Oh, that too. Oh, the soup is gone.
I need to make you one.
Okie dokie. Are you also making a green soup? Ooh, a yummy green soup. Right, okay girls, I'm going to call Daddy. So I'm going to stop filming. So let's say bye-bye to our friends and we'll see them later. Bye-bye. See you later, friends.